Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create random password generator, which contains capital letters, small letters, digits, and special characters. Let's get into the video. First, we will import two built-in modules. One is random, another one is string. String module provides a ready-made character collection like letters, digits, and special symbols. Next, we will create a function, password generator, and we will pass the required length of password as a parameter. Then we will write a conditional statement. If length of the password is less than 4, we will return password must be at least 5 characters. Let's create a password list. Let's create a password list which contains 4 characters. One is uppercase and another one is lowercase, one digit and another one is special character. We are going to use random.choice to select a random character from the string. Let's take it outside the loop. Let's print the password and check what it contains. Let's run our code. And you can see there are 4 characters. One is uppercase, small case, digits, and special character. Let's create another variable which is character, which contains a list of all this. ASCII letters contains all the capital letters and small letters. Digits means all the digits 0 to 9. And punctuation is all the special symbols. Let's bring it outside the function and let's check what it all contains by using print. Okay, let's write a title for our project. We're going to put this in a double quotes. Now you can see the list. Let's put it back again into the function. Now we are going to create a loop. We have already added 4 characters. So for the remaining characters, we are going to use for loop. We are going to minus our 4 characters from the required length. Then we are going to select a random choice from the character list. Then we are going to add the final character to password list by using password.append. You can directly write it like this. Now all the characters are added to the list, but they are in the same format. So we are going to use random.shuffle to rearrange the characters. Then we are using .join password. It converts our list into a single string. Then we are going to return it as an output. We have successfully created the function. Let's write our code outside the function. Now we are going to create a variable length and take the user input. Now we are going to create another variable final password and we are going to call our function password generator. Upon calling this function, all the code inside the function will be automatically executed and you will get the return value. Now we are going to print our final value, which is final password, by using fstring. Let's run the program. Required password length. User input is always taken as a string, so we are going to convert it into integer by using int. We got only 6 characters, 5 characters. Let's see. We need to write random and join outside the loop, not inside, because we are going to shuffle the password after all the characters are added to the password list. Now you can see we got all the characters. Let's check if we remove this random.shuffle. You can see the character format is always same. Uppercase, small case, digit and special character. So that is the reason we are using it. So we have successfully created a random password generator. Let's add a few more lines to our code to store all the passwords in a file. Now we are getting into file handling. With open, we are gonna create a file named password.txt and here we are using append mode. It creates a file if it doesn't exist. File.write final password and here we are using \n to add the password in the next line. Our password.txt file is created, you can see it here. And whenever we run the program, all the passwords are automatically added to this file. You can check all the passwords here. So if we remove this \n, you can see all the passwords are getting added on the same line. So that is the reason we are using it. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. And for the source code, you can check out the GitHub link in my description.